Students, this is from the second chapter, eye and optical instruments, eye and color, the color world. And here the important part is that defects of vision and their correction. Already you are knowing that structure of the eyes and working of the eye. And here we have to, the important portion is that the defects of vision and their correction. So what are the defects of vision? Actually that the abnormality, because you know that the ray of light which will be refracted through the eye lens, and that rays should be falling on the retina. If due to the abnormality of the eye, if the focus or the ray of light will not be refracted exactly on the retina, either it will be in front of the retina or on the back side of the retina, in that cases we tell the eye is having the defects. We cannot see object clearly. And these defects of vision, what are the different types of defects of vision and their correction? How that will be corrected by using the different types of lenses, convex or concave lenses. So here we have to discuss the defects of vision and their correction. Before that, you should be knowing about the different terms. That is, the one is the far point. What is the far point, near point, and least distance of distinct vision? That thing you must be knowing. What is the far point? Far point means that is the distant. The farthest point up to which an eye can see clearly is called the far point of the eye. The farthest point up to which an eye can see clearly is called the far point. Is called the far point of the eye, and for the normal eye it is an infinite. For normal eye, the eye is having no defect, we can see up to the distance of infinite, farthest point. What is the near point? The closest or the nearest point up to which an eye can see clearly is called the near point, nearer point. And for the normal eye, it is 25 centimeter. Up to 25 centimeter, the normal person can see the object clearly. Another term we are getting, the least distance of distinct vision. What is the least distance of distinct vision? It is the minimum distance up to which an eye can see clearly without any strain is called the least distance of distinct vision. And it is for the normal eye. The distance is from eye to the nearer point. For the normal eye, that is about 25 centimeter. That is about 25 centimeter. And if the age will increase gradually, this near point or least distance of distinct vision may be varied, may be changed. So it is clear the far point, the distant point or the farthest point which can be seen clearly, that is called the far point. And near point, the nearer point which can be seen by the person clearly by the eye is clearly, that is called the near point, and least distance of distinct vision. By knowing all these three clearly, that we may be coming to the defects of vision and their correction. What are the defects of vision and their correction? First defects of vision is the myopia. Myopia, or it is told as the short-sightedness. Be careful, for the spelling is short-sighted, S-I-G-H-T-E-D, sightedness. It looks like that is short-sighted means you cannot see the nearer distance. No. Actually, myopia or short-sightedness, what it indicates, we can see the near point clearly. We can see the nearer object clearly, but distant object cannot be seen clearly. If this type of defect the eye is possessing, that is the myopia or short-sightedness. Another is the hypermetropia or long-sightedness. Long-sightedness, here in this case, you can see the distant object, farthest object clearly, but nearby object you cannot see it clearly. So this is the hypermetropia. And another is the astigmatism. So these are the three types of defects. We will be going it now. In the next video we will be discussing what is the myopia and short-sightedness and their defects and their correction in details. Thank you.